If you're about to sign up or you just created an account on Coinpoker, you are eligible for the 150% welcome bonus. No promo code needed. Anyone who hasn't made a deposit yet qualifies for the bonus. To claim it, make sure to select welcome bonus when depositing. The minimum deposit to qualify is $10, which will give you $15 in bonus money. The more you deposit, the bigger the bonus, up to a maximum of $2,000. Any deposit above $1,334 will give you a fixed amount of $2,000 in bonus money. To fully unlock your bonus, you will need to generate twice the bonus amount in Rake. As you play and generate Rake, your bonus will be released automatically in 10% chunks. For example, if you deposit $10, you will need to generate $13 in Rake to clear your $15 bonus completely. Keep in mind there is a 13-day deadline to meet the playthrough requirements. Any portion of the bonus not unlocked by then will expire. You will still keep whatever parts you've cleared. That's how the Coinpoker welcome bonus works. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help.